Hey guys, it's Ray with you today, and I've decided to play with some warm tones, with bold red lips, with bright colors. Here is what we have at the end. If you're interested how I did this look, keep on watching. I will share with you my tips and tricks and hope you will enjoy this video. So today we are having fun as usual. We are playing with some warm color eyeshadows and of course testing some new products. So stay with me and let's play. First step, let's prime our face with MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime. Now let's zoom in and get to foundation. So for the foundation we are trying Fit Me by Maybelline in shade 110 in a stick. Let's try. To spread it, I will use my beauty sponge. So what I'm gonna do now is I will add like little extra layer under my eyes and I will set it with a setting powder. Now let's do some baking. I will bake with MAC translucent powder and MAC powder brush number 134. While we're baking, let's contour. I'm contouring today with a powder contour kit. It is My Sculpted Face by IT Cosmetics. To contour, I will use my Sonia Kashuk large powder brush in her professional series. It's brush number 100. So the last thing, let's switch the brush and contour my nose. For that purpose, I will use my MAC 224 blending brush. Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, medium brown. So, and our second step is Benefit Gimme Brow, the fiber gel. My shade is medium 3. So I just want to put them in place and hold there. Today I grabbed something from Target I want to try. So it is Sonia Kashuk Brushes, the professional collection. If they are as good as her powder brush, I will totally use those all the time. So these little guys right here, I'm especially interested in a crease brush. The thing I like about this one, it's a bit thinner than my other blending brushes. For example, my MAC 224. Can you see how fluffy is MAC brush, this one right here, and how thin is Sonia's brush right here? Interested, will it give more precise blending? From the same collection, I will be using the universal eyeshadow brush. But let's start with priming our eyes first. For primer, I'm using Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. So I will start with building a base on my entire lid, and I will use color Shroom in MAC eyeshadows and Sonia Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow Brush. So it grabs a lot of color, but it's good for patting into but not blending or spreading, because since it's so thick, it is not so flexible. The bristles are too thick and put together. It gets a lot of pigment, you see. Sometimes it's something what we really need, but for example, right now to build a base, it's not the best thing to do. Let me give this base extra blend with my MAC 224 blending brush. Okay, much better now, but there is one job to be done by this brush. So let me dig into my Too Faced Ultra Matte eyeshadow palette, and the shade will be Heaven. I will be putting this one under my brow bone. So you see, this time it does the job perfectly. And the inner corners of my eyes. Now we're getting the Crease brush by Sonia and Love You So Mochi by NYX. This shade right here will be our perfect transition shade. So we'll put it right into the crease and spread it upwards. Not bad, right? Next shade is this one right here. So next shade is this one right here. And let's go back to the Too Faced palette, the shade Chocolate Cookie. So, right now the crease is done, and now let's get to more fun. I'm getting my Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. The shade is Utterly Becoming. To apply that one, I'm gonna use my MAC concealer brush. Number is 195. On top of it, I will put my Tarte Chrome Paint in shade Top Yacht. I will use my fingers. Be prepared, this one always, and I mean it, always has a fallout. So just get ready, put more baking powder underneath or get some wipes. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use my MAC 228 Precise brush. Chocolate Cookie Too Faced palette. To pop our eyes open even more, we're gonna use Fascinating by MAC eyeliner. It's a call actually. So recently I've been at Walgreens and grabbed this Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner. It in shade dark brown 876B. Looks like a marker. So what I'm gonna do with this one, get a place for my lashes ready. So kind of make a line of where I will apply my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. Oh my goodness, such a tongue twister, huh? Let me put my falsies on and I will be back shortly. My lashes are here. And you know, guys, that the history of the falsies go back to the 1927 when they've been first created and showed in the movie Chicago. And the person who created them was Max Factor. How funny is that, huh? The first actress who actually put the lashes on was Phyllis Haver. So at that time, the falsies were just like I'm wearing right now in one line. But the singles were invented much later in 2003 by Japanese makeup artist and the stylist. And the first person who actually wore the single falsies was Madonna. Right now it's time for some blush. I'm using MAC Cubic. I will use my IT Cosmetics Flawless Blush Brush. The apples of my cheeks. Now, time to glow. Let's go to the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm using Love You So Mochi by NYX. And I will be using one with the golden undertone. To apply the highlighter, I'm getting my MAC 136 brush. That is stunning, right? So right now let's go for lips. Today I've chosen to do a bold red lip. Le Metier De Beaute. So it was very easy to apply and the lips feel really comfortable. It is very classic red color. The setting spray is left and it's again MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime. So guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. As usual, in the comments down below, let me know if you like this look or not. And if you have any ideas, I will make sure I do my best to make them come true. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and mwah. Yeah, no, no.